Round bird is not like other birds. He has a big round body with little wings. He cannot fly, but he wants to play with the other birds more than anything. Every day and in many ways, he tries to fly. Then he tries again. But nothing worked. Then he thought it might be better to use the tree. Round bird is determined to fly. It is very hard for a little bird to do, but he climbs the tree. He sits on a branch and takes a deep breath before he jumps and flaps his wings. And flaps some more, but they don't work. Good thing he made sure there was a pile of leaves. He scrambles out of the leaves and sits and thinks a bit. He now knows that even though he wishes hard and tries hard too, there are just some things some birds aren't meant to do. The challenge for Round Bird, then, is to find those special things that only special birds can do.